Modding Tutorial, Engine. In this section, we will learn how to create a new engine for our mods or edit the existing ones. As I mentioned earlier in part 1, we need two programs, WinRAR and Notepad+. To get started, we need to find the location of the engine folder inside the mod. Alright, in this step, I take one of the engine files that was previously created and copy it into a folder or any desired location so I can make changes to it. To create a new engine, I need to choose a different name for it, and here I write test. After saving, we open the file and select the same name in the first line of the text. Name, price, info are things that do not affect your engine. They are only visual, and you can change them however you like. Torque. This defines the maximum torque output of the engine in Nm. The higher the number you set, the more power you will get from the engine. Volume. This essentially refers to the engine displacement in liters, and it may affect your fuel consumption and torque. In the game's engine system, the torque curve is used to describe how much torque the engine produces at different RPM levels. Each line in the torque curve contains two values. First value, the RPM position as a percentage of max RPM. Second value, the torque amount as a percentage of maximum torque. For example, here at 300 revolutions per minute, I set the torque to 0, and at 2,500 revolutions per minute, I set the torque to 1, meaning the engine reaches its maximum torque at 2,500 revolutions per minute. In the game system, the RPM idle value defines the engine's idle speed, the RPM level when the engine is running, but the truck is not moving, and you are not pressing the throttle. The RPM limit value defines the maximum RPM the engine is allowed to reach. This is the point where the engine stops revving higher, even if you keep pressing the throttle. This section is exactly the maximum RPM, but in the state where no gear is engaged and you are in neutral. That's how simple it is. Just save the file and put it back into the compressed archive. Your engine is now ready. To learn more, try changing the values, and then go into the game to see the results.